Welcome to Learn a Trade channel. I am Kevin Tate. We're going to get right into episode 2 of the Cornelius-Nitro Pro Mini full service training. Thank you for watching.
First of all, the drip tray just pulls and slides out and can be set aside. To get the front splash panel off, there are 2 screws in the lower left and right hand corners. Take the screws out from each side. The panel slips and slides out. Keep track of the screws, because you'll need to use them to put the panel back on. Now, to get the rest of the cladding, I'll simply undo 2 screws. A good thing to save the screws in, put them in the top cap upside down. The next panel to come off and screws at the top. Those 2 screws you unscrew and again hang on to the 2 screws. Now, to continue panel off, I'm going to turn this around real quickly. And you're going to notice in the back, there are 4 screws, 2 in the top and 2 at the bottom. These 4 screws need to be removed. And again, save the screws. Now, if you're taking the back panel off, and you're doing it with the machine plugged in, you're going to have to unplug the power cord, and you may or may not have to take the water line off. This normally would have a water line on there, but this panel, here again, you have to capture the screws so they don't fall and lose them, and set them aside. Now the panel, when you go to take the back panel off, you have to lift it up and pull it out. What you'll notice is that on the top it's got a little finger, a notch, that drops into some slots on either side. So it's lift the panel up and pull it out. If the power cord is plugged in or the water line is on, you might have to manipulate this a little bit to get it out of there. I usually unplug the this side panel off. This panel is got no screws. It just comes and lifts off. It's got catches on the tabs here in the front that lock into the front frame of the unit. And then, of course, there's the 2 screws in the back that we've already removed that are used for retaining and holding it in place. Now, I'm going to turn the unit around, and I'm going to show you the front, because the other side panel is a little bit different in taking off. You got to take a strike plate off of the unit in order to get the side panel off. Spin this around. Now, to get the right side panel, and open the door, and there's a strike plate here for the door latch. There's just 2 screws. And you take out the second screw, save the 2 little screws, and again, this is a good spot to keep it, and the strike plate. Now, with the strike plate removed, the second panel just simply lifts and comes off. But you have to remove the strike plate in order to get the panel, because it's part of, it engages with the side panel. And now you have access to the full unit for servicing.